back to my channel. This is a very quick guitar tutorial on the song August by Taylor Swift. We have just one chord progression, one main string pattern going throughout the whole song: verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and a bridge. That's the basic structure, but you don't have to worry about that because we have the same thing going. So let's hop into it. First chord will be a F major. Just quickly have a look at the chords: 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. If you have problem, you can just play it like this. Next chord is a G minor, which is 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. If you have a lot of problem playing the bar chords, you can just watch that video on my channel, how to play the bar chords. And another is, you can just drop me a comment down below if you want with the capo. I will let you know the chords. C major, mute 32010. B flat, which is mute 1, 3, 3, 3. Or you can even play mute, mute 3, 3, 3, 1. Have a look at the tab, pause the video, just practice the chord shapes. Let's get started. The chord progression will be F, B flat, C, F, I repeat, B flat, G minor, C. So we got F, B flat, G minor, C. Now the string pattern will be very basic. I just want to copy the song. So in the song, it likely goes like this: down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So the string pattern, I'm breaking it down for you guys: down, up, down, up, down. Again, down, up, down, up, down. And the moment comes when you're just gonna change to the next chord, you just do a down, up. So we got down, up, down, up, down. So, and the moment when it comes, you're just going to changing the next chord, you're just gonna do a down, up. So notice. So the down up is likely for changing the chord. Like when you change the chord, you may take a bit time. Therefore, the down up will actually help you at that moment. So that's it. Down up, down up, down, down up, down up, down, down up. Once for all the chords, and that's it. So let's play. Just want to say that make sure to subscribe because I just want to reach 1,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And drop me one of these. And yeah, stay tuned. Check out my playlist. I'm just gonna cover the full album by Taylor Swift. So 1, 2, 3, 4.